What's going on, family? I want to show you one of my little pieces that I fabricated today for my welder to sit on. And I have a brace that goes under the bottom that clips in here. I left my keys, so they're inside of the RV right now. But I fabricated a couple things on here where I can be able to just make it easier to fabricate and assembly different parts and different things that I'm working on. So, only reason I really wanted to drop the video was just to say, use what you got. A lot of times we got a lot of stuff just laying around that we can actually use to make our situation better. So let's utilize what we got, man. We coming into a new year. Whatever you got, if it's sitting around, utilize what you got, man, and get some money out of it. Change your life. We all know that we got bills to pay, so let's figure out ways to replace our bill money, because we got to pay it. So that way we can actually have some live money so we can live and enjoy life. Hold on.